Struggling to lose weight? You're not alone. Most people think it's about extreme diets or endless hours at the gym, but here's the truth. Losing weight can be simple, healthy, and sustainable. Today, I'm revealing the exact steps to get the body you've always wanted without drastic measures. Stick around until the end because I've saved the best tip for last. It's a game changer you won't want to miss. Losing weight isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Crash diets might drop pounds fast, but they often backfire, leaving you tired, hungry, and heavier than before. The secret? Combining proper nutrition, effective exercise, and a little boost to your metabolism. In the next 15 minutes, you'll learn how to burn fat naturally, boost your energy, and keep the weight off for good. Curious about that extra boost? It's coming at the end. Don't skip it. Let's start with exercise, because moving your body is non-negotiable. Here are the top 3 types that'll torch fat and get you results. 1. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Picture this, 30 seconds of all-out effort, then a quick break. Repeat. That's HIIT. It's fast, it's fun, and it keeps burning calories even after you're done. Studies show it can boost fat loss by up to 28% more than regular workouts. Strength training lifting weights isn't just for bodybuilders. It builds muscle, speeds up your metabolism, and helps you burn fat 24/7, even while you sleep. Plus, it tones your body so you look leaner, not just lighter. 3. Cardio. Whether it's a brisk walk, a run, or a swim, cardio keeps your heart healthy and melts away extra calories. Aim for 30 minutes a day and watch the fat disappear over time. Want to supercharge these workouts? I've got something special for you at the end. It'll take your results to the next level. Exercise is only half the battle. Your diet is the real MVP. Here's how to eat for fat loss without feeling deprived. 1. Load up on whole foods. Think fresh fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and legumes. They're packed with nutrients that fuel your body and keep you full longer. 2. Power up with protein. Chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu. Protein builds muscle and stops those annoying hunger cravings. Add it to every meal and you'll feel satisfied all day. 3. Ditch the junk refined carbs like white bread and sugary snacks, spike your blood sugar and pack on pounds. Swap them for complex carbs like sweet potatoes or quinoa for steady energy. 4. Watch your portions. Even healthy food can add up. Eat mindfully, stop when you're full, not stuffed. Still with me? Good, because the best part's coming up. It's a little boost that ties all this together. Exercise and diet are key, but supplements can give you an edge. Here's what works. Thermogenics, like green tea extract or caffeine, rev up your metabolism and burn fat faster. Appetite. Suppressants like glucomannan, a natural fiber, keep hunger in check so you don't overeat. Performance boosters like L-carnitine turn fat into energy, powering your workouts. These are safe, natural ways to support your goals, but I've saved the ultimate tool for last. It's almost time to reveal it. Here it is, the game changer you've been waiting for, QuickFit. This natural supplement is packed with green tea, caffeine, and L-carnitine to turbocharge your metabolism, boost energy, and melt fat faster. It's the perfect partner for your workouts and diet, helping you see results without the struggle. Want to try it? Check the link in the description to grab QuickFit now and kickstart your journey. Trust me, this is the boost you've been missing. Losing weight doesn't have to be hard. Combine these exercises, smart eating, and a little help from QuickFit, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Which tip are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more secrets to transform your life. See you in the next one.